And what the upper and lower string function do is they turn your column data either into all uppercase or all lowercase. So the upper function turns the column data into uppercase, and the lower function turns your data or returns your data in lowercase. And if we look at the example SQL queries here, you can see that to apply the upper and lower string function, we need to be selecting data from a table. So we type select, and then we type either upper or lower, open a pair of brackets, have our column within the brackets. So this will apply the upper function to column 1, and this will apply the lower function to column 1. We set our column name alias here, and then we're selecting from a table. So select upper column 1 as new column name from a table. So now let's look at an example from our cinema booking system. So let's select data from the rooms table. Let's select name from rooms, and we can see what this, if we just do it without the upper and lower first, you can see that we have our rooms. So we have our 3 rooms, Chaplin, Kubrick and Capella. Now let's apply the upper string function to the name column. So let's type select upper name from rooms, and let's compare the results. Let's compare the output. So you can see now that the 3 names are all in capitals. So we have Chaplin, Kubrick, Capella like before, but now every single character in the string is an uppercase character. And you can see here that I forgot to apply the column name alias. So it's actually returned the column name as upper open bracket name close bracket. So let's just apply a alias, so we can actually say as name, so we can give it the same name as the original column had. And you can see now we have the column as name and our 3 rooms all in uppercase. So now let's look at an example of lower, the lower function. So let's select lower name as name from rooms. So it's the same select query, but instead of applying the upper function, we're applying the lower function. So let's run that, and you can see now that we have the name column and it's returned the results all in lowercase. So lowercase first letter, and every other letter is lowercase as well. And if we go back to our original query, you can see that the first letter was actually uppercase, so it's turned this to a lowercase. And that's it for the upper and lower function. They're fairly simple functions. The upper function just changes your column data into uppercase, and the lower function changes your column data into lowercase.